If you come across suspicious activity on Binance, it's important to report it promptly to ensure the safety of your account and others. Follow these steps to report any concerns effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Binance account by entering your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to the support section. Once logged in, locate the support or help section on the Binance website or app. This is typically found in the main menu or footer of the page. Step 3. Select Report Suspicious Activity. In the support section, look for an option that allows you to report suspicious activity. This may be labeled differently, but should be easy to find. Step 4. Provide detailed information. Fill out the reporting form with as much detail as possible. Include specifics such as the nature of the suspicious activity, any relevant transaction ID, and your observations. Step 5. Submit your report. After reviewing your information for accuracy, submit the report. You should receive a confirmation that your report has been sent for review. By following these steps, you can help maintain a secure trading environment on Binance. Always stay vigilant and report any unusual activity you encounter.